Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the new iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, with larger displays, a more powerful 3nm A18 Pro chip, an improved camera, plus Apple Intelligence. In addition to the regular iPhone 16 smartphones, Apple also announced a professional line of iPhone 16 Pro devices. The new flagship smartphones received larger displays, and now the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are available, with a screen diagonal of 6.3 and 6.9 inches respectively, versus 6.1 and 6.7 inches for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro lineup comes with the A18 Pro chip, which has a 16-core neural engine, for amazing performance, for Apple Intelligence features, some of which will be available in beta in October. Apple promises 17% faster memory bandwidth, 20% faster 6-core GPU performance, and 15% faster 6-core CPU performance than the A17 Pro chip in the iPhone 15 Pro. When developing the iPhone 16 Pro series, much attention was paid to the camera. It received the main 48-megapixel Fusion camera module with OIS, a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle module with autofocus, and a 12-megapixel telephoto module with 5x zoom. Now, even on the regular iPhone 16 Pro, the telephoto camera has a tetraprism, which was previously available only in the iPhone 15 Pro Max version. The iPhone 16 series has a new camera control button. It lets you control some shooting settings, like aperture or zoom, and it will also get a 2-stage shutter, as part of a software update later this year. Apple is introducing new photo styles, allowing you to change the styles in your photos after you take the photo. The iPhone 16 Pro can record 4K video at 120 frames per second, and you can adjust the playback speed after shooting in the Photos app. Apple has also improved the audio components of the iPhone 16 Pro, including 4 studio-quality microphones. You'll also be able to capture spatial audio while recording spatial video. The iPhone 16 Pro series features a titanium case. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, natural, and the new desert titanium. Apple also claims that the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the best battery life ever in an iPhone. The iPhone 16 Pro with 128 GB of storage is priced at $999, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max with 256 GB of storage starts at $1,199. Both new models will go on sale on September 20th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.